Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title stamp enabling privacy preserving location proof for mobile users. Our project abstract location based services are quickly becoming immensely popular. In addition to service based on a user's current location, may potentially services rely on users' location history or their spatial temporal provenance. Malicious users may lie about their spatial temporal provenance without a carefully designed security system for users to prove their past location. In this paper, we present the spatial temporal provenance assurance with a mutual proof stamp scheme. Stamp is designed for ad hoc mobile users generating location proof for each others in a distributed settings. However, it can easily accommodate trusted mobile users and wireless access points. Stamp ensures the integrity and non-transferability of the location proofs and protects privacy. A semi-trust certification authority is used to distribute cryptographic keys as well as guard users against collision by a lightweight entropy-based trust evaluation approach. Our prototype implementation on the Android platform shows that a stamp is low cost in of computational and storage resource. Extensive simulation experiment shows that our entropy-based trust model is able to achieve high collision detection accuracy. Data flow diagram. In the data flow diagram, first the user makes a certain registration in it. Registration the location based on the location register in it. After that, the certain registration can be updated related to the user status is an active or an ID state. The verification and validation process can be done related to the database. The verification and validation process can be done by a admin related to the process by using a certain ID and a passwords to be logged in. The user list can be analyzed in it. After that, the certain user list can be selected by the user select process can be done in it. And the user selection, the admin select the certain users to may find the user location, and the certain mapping can be combined. If the user is and change the location from one user to another, it makes us a detection of an anomaly of the process. The anomalies can be related to the latitude and longitude of the user placed in certain places by using GPS locations in it. Our project demo for a stamp processor. First, let's start our processor. First, this is our home page. I click on the process and click on the stamp app in it, and this is our home page. After that, the home page, it next track goes to the processor. By entering the home page, it shows the user and admin login. If you are a user, click on the user. There is a two process in it: registration process and the user login process. In the registration process, if you are a new user, click on registration. If you are all user, click on the new user logins to give a certain credential ID and a password in it. After that, for a new user, click on the new registration process, and there is a name, mail ID and the password to be filled in it. After the registration, the certain process can be carried out by verifying the mail ID and the certain username is generated in it. After that, the login ID can be generated manually. Here is the login ID generator. Related to the login ID is to this is the ID used to make a certain further login process by the certain users. Using the certain login ID and the password, the login process can be carried out. Here is the here after that the user data can be analyzed in it. Here the places can be placed. Here is the user can be situated in it. After that, the users locations can be registered, and after that, the admin login can be carried out. In the admin login, the certain process can be analyzed, and the certain latitude and the longitude can be verified. If the user is in another location, the latitude and the longitude is different. It can be detected as anomaly. If the user is in the same location, the latitude and longitude is on same process, it can be detected as normal users in it. Thanks for listening.